Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to sell subscription boxes and recurring products on Wix. This is an incredibly powerful feature if you're running an e-commerce store and want to create predictable recurring revenue from products your customers love. Whether you're selling monthly coffee deliveries, beauty boxes, or any kind of repeat product, setting this up properly can transform your business model. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Catalog. Click on it, and the menu will expand to reveal several options. From this expanded menu, hover your cursor over Store Products, and from the submenu that appears, select Products. This is where all your store inventory lives, and it's the starting point for turning any product into a subscription offering. Now, you'll see a full preview of all the products currently listed under your Wix store. This view gives you control over each item's settings and configurations. To set up or sell a subscription or recurring product, simply click on a sample product you'd like to convert into a subscription model. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to create a brand new subscription product from scratch, you can click the New Product button located on the top right part of your screen. For this tutorial, we'll use an existing product since the procedure is exactly the same either way. Using an existing product is often faster and helps you see how subscription options layer onto products you've already built. Once you're on the product info page, scroll all the way down to the very bottom. Here you'll find a section dedicated to subscriptions. Under this section, look for a link that says Create a Subscription. Click on that link to begin configuring your recurring product settings. This is where the magic happens, so take your time with the next steps. From here, you'll start by setting up the product subscription details. First, enter a clear name for the subscription and add a tagline that explains the offer to your customers. This tagline is what helps sell the value of subscribing versus a one-time purchase. Next, set how often the subscription repeats by clicking on the drop-down menu. You can choose between weeks, months, or years, depending on what makes sense for your product. Then, configure the expiration for the offer if you want the subscription to end after a certain period or leave it ongoing. After that, set the discount you want to offer subscribers. You can choose either a flat price reduction or a percentage off. Discounts are a great way to incentivize customers to commit to a subscription rather than buying once. Once everything is configured to your liking, click on Add. This will attach the subscription option to your product, so customers will see it as an available choice when they're ready to purchase. Finally, make sure to click the Save button at the top or bottom of the page to retain all the changes and configurations you've just added. Without saving, none of your work will be applied. Once saved, this product will now display a subscription option at checkout, giving your customers flexibility and encouraging repeat sales. And that's it. You've successfully set up a subscription product on Wix, opening the door to recurring revenue and stronger customer relationships. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.